Hello guys, guess what? We're traveling again. Now we're off to New Zealand. Kasama ko si Chris at saka si Samuel. Yung dalawa na iwan doon sa mother-in-law ko. Kaming tatlo lang. Papunta ng New Zealand. So it's currently 4:16 and we're a flight 6:30. So yeah. So yun guys, tapos na kami sa security. And then now we're off to the lounge. So we're going to New Zealand. So meron silang member kasi si Chris sa Coral Lounge, kaya magla-lounge kami, and then you can relax there and then makakain ka, drinks. So yeah, on the way na kami doon. Kasi yung flight namin, hindi pa naman till 6:30 pa. Kaya may time pa kami mag-relax. Airline lounges. Okay, let's go. Come on. So, nandito na kami guys sa lounge. Ito yung Air New Zealand lounge. Yan. So, nandito na kami guys. Wala masyadong tao ngayon kasi nighttime flight. So, dyan ka mag-order ng mga coffee mo and everything.